Okay, so knitpatch.com. It's a website that sells tools and kits for fixing and decorating your clothes. They have mending kits, threads, and little tools to patch holes or even refresh old garments. Sounds cool, right? But is the site actually trustworthy? Let's find out together. So the first thing we noticed, their website has some really glowing reviews. And at first glance, they look super impressive. But here's the catch. When we checked Trustpilot, we couldn't find any reviews at all. That made us a little suspicious. Then we went to Reddit, and things got interesting. There, people were discussing whether the KnitPatch tools are actually worth buying. Most commenters said the brand is low quality, overpriced, and the instructions aren't very helpful. A lot of people recommend buying a small, handmade darning loom instead, especially from the independent maker behind Small Loom, Alexandre. Apparently, those tools are sturdy, well-crafted, and much easier to use. Some even mention that cheap mass-produced looms, including some on Amazon, don't work very well. And if you're on a budget, 3D printed looms are another alternative. Another red flag? According to RedChoice, knitpatch.com was registered in May 2025. That means it hasn't even completed a full year yet. New websites can be legit, sure, but a lack of history makes it harder to trust them. Then, we checked their products. They look really nice at first, but when we did a reverse image search using Google Lens, some of the images turned out to be copied. Now, that's a big warning sign. If they can't even show real photos of their products, how can we be sure what we're buying? Customer support is another concern. Right now, the website only offers email for contact. No phone number, no live chat. That means if something goes wrong, you might have to wait a long time for a reply. Not ideal, right? And finally, let's talk about their marketing. Every product is on sale. There's Christmas sales up to 60% off, and they even offer free gifts. Sounds nice, but it's a little too much. The aggressive marketing makes it feel like driving sales is more important than actually earning your trust. So, putting it all together, knitpatch.com has a lot of red flags. Glowing but unverifiable reviews, copied product images, minimal customer support, heavy marketing, and a super new domain. It's a lot to worry about. Our advice? Proceed with caution, or consider looking at more established and trusted alternatives. That's it for today's review. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest reviews. See you in the next video.